Hello friends, in this video I will try to solve the problem of this multimeter. Let me show you. So the problem with this multimeter is now you can see it's on voltage, but he thinks it's on temperature mode here, and most of the time it's not working exact function that I adjust. Now let me show you how to solve this problem. And if I want to use, I have to move this. Now it's working, but from time to time. Now let's solve this. To solve this we have to take this in small pieces. Now we can see the inside. It's well done, it's good quality. Now I can show you what we have to do. I have to clean the contacts here and these copper parts. Now let's clean. And now carefully we have to clean this. And now let's put everything back. Now let's put the battery back and make a test. As you can see, now it's working perfect. If you have problems with your multimeter, you should do this and you will save it. If you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.